Office desk buy guys. Looking for the right office desk for your home or workspace but don't know where to begin. With so many different office desks on the market, ranging massive in terms of price, quality, function, and style, it can be a challenge to know where to begin, and making the wrong decision can have a serious impact on your business. Learn everything you need to know about choosing the perfect workspace with an expert office desk buying guide below. Desks types explain the most common type of desk available. Before you start shopping, it's important to know a little bit more about the products available on the market today. Here's a brief overview of some of the most popular types of office desk available. Web desk, corner desk, the bench desk, the home office desk, working practice, considerations for desk solutions, size of desks, available space, the feel of your business, brand style, color, and aesthetics reflect your brand in your office, materials and finishes. Office desks come in a selection of different material and finish in colors and styles to suit every business. These include everything high-end solid wood species through to the more cost-effective FFC and MFC, printed color wood tones, contemporary whites, or even vibrant stemon colors. Picking quality, matching furniture that fits in with and the style and feel of your business will help to create the right working environment and create the right impression with clients. The color. The important details, practical source to your office furniture, the storage options, the future expansion, the budget price and value. Quality furniture from